Let's do question 7b. If 2 to the power x is equal to k, determine the following in terms of k. So it means we have to rewrite these expressions with 2 to the power x. We must have 2 to the power x in these expressions. So this one will be 2 to the power x squared. This is just the same as this. And then where there's 2 to the power x, we can put k, which is k squared. And then what about this one? This is just the same as 2 to the power x to the power 1 over 3. This is equal to k to the power 1 over 3. Or you can write it as cube root of k. Right, what about this one? We want to write it with 2 to the power x. So this is like 2 to the power negative x times 2 to the power 1, isn't it? Right? And then this is like 1 over 2 to the power x times 2, which becomes 1 over k times 2. Then we can write it like this as 2 over k, or you can say 2 times k to the power negative 1. But this should be your answer.